Welcome to my channel. My name is Ciera Michelle, and in today's video I will show you guys my flawless everyday makeup. So let's get straight into it. So boom, first I'm going to be going in with this Milk foundation primer, and I'm going to prime my face so the makeup can stay there and everything be flawless. Girl, I love it. It's cool or whatever. Next, I will be applying my Too Faced foundation. I love this foundation because it's full coverage, and I don't know, I fell in love with it. I ain't tried a lot of foundations, but drugstore. So this was like the more higher end foundation I tried, and I really loved it. And if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So I really love this foundation, and I just like applying it with my Real Techniques foundation brush. And then after I apply all over my face with the brush, then I get my beauty blender, a dry beauty blender, not a wet one. I take my dry beauty blender and I'll buff my foundation into my skin, and it's going to look flawless. It's going to look like skin, and y'all just see.
I wake from my slumber. I wish I could call you up. Miss how you put your love on me. Boy, you got my number. Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow up on me. You never know when to chill. Always talk about keep it real. Only till you've had your fill. Then you wanna cry ill.
So boom, I really look like a potato right now because I just got my foundation on, and as you can see, it's so full coverage with just one coat. But baby, if you want the flawless everyday makeup glam, soft glam look, you have to use 2 to 3 layers of foundation, and that's what I do to achieve my flawless look. Like right now, if I just put one coat on, I could do, everyday natural, but you need 2 coats to be glam, okay? It's just what it is. Let me just tell you right now, I'm not a makeup artist, so like blending my foundation in with my neck, child, sometimes I be looking crazy, and sometimes I be forgetting to take it down a little further or to contour down there a little further. But child, as y'all can see, sometimes that neck, so I have to work on that. So don't come for me in the comments. I'm working on blending my neck and my face, because yeah, I gotta do something else about that. Like, I'm gonna have to contour some more. I just noticed that while I'm editing the video. So y'all, yeah, I'm gonna definitely work on that, but the finished product is still beautiful, so don't even try me. We're not gonna talk about me dancing because I can't dance, and I wanted to keep this in the video because I really want y'all to start seeing my personality. I'm very goofy, silly, and I just love to have a good time. But back to the video. With my eyebrows, I did them before I got started, but I wanted to touch them up after I applied my foundation. I do kind of like the strokes of the eyebrows to make them look a little threaded or whatever. So that is what I'm doing right now, just fixing them up a little bit and getting it ready for my final look. So for me, I personally love using Morphe eyebrow pencils, but I will also use any like drugstore eyebrow pencil because it really doesn't matter. I've been using a pomade and I've been using a pencil nowadays, but like I told y'all, I'm always changing how I do my eyebrows. So there's no specific way I can really tell y'all what products I like, because in general, I will use any eyebrow product. So the same foundation that I used to carve out my eyebrows, I'm actually going to take that. It's a lighter shade of foundation, of course, like my summer shade. I'm going to take that and I'm going to just apply that as my concealer. Instead of using a concealer, I like using a lighter foundation. That's what I've been using nowadays. I'll put that on my eyelids and just everywhere I want to conceal. Okay, so I absolutely hate that I have to do my mouth like this when I'm applying concealer, but I was trying to do that little new concealer hack people been doing, but y'all, it ain't really work because the concealer be going too far like inwards, but I'm not tripping. It still came out good. That's why I love using a foundation rather than a concealer, because concealers are thicker than this foundation that I'm using, and I just like how I'm able to blend with it, and I'm able to like touch things up or fix things if I overdo it, because if I overdo it I can fix it with some contour. But yeah, let's continue the video. If you still watching this video at this present moment, we 6 minutes in, I just want to say that I really love you. Like, you're so dope. I thank you for your support, and make sure you subscribe and stay, because I just got bomb uploads coming back to back. Okay? Now, let's get into this contour, y'all. I love a BH Cosmetics contour palette because it's affordable and it does what it needs to do, okay? So, I'm just taking that in a Real Techniques brush. If you're not hip to Real Techniques, or if you don't really mess with them, I'm telling y'all need to get them because it's affordable. Like, I like affordable things that just make me feel good and I can still look like that girl, because I don't need to spend $100 on a brush when there's so many affordable brands, and Real Techniques is just my favorite drugstore brand for brushes. So I'm taking that and I'm literally just going crazy with the contour all over my face, like just trying to make it look more toasted. And with my foundation being a more yellow undertone, I'm taking my contour and just really bringing the darkness back into my face, or just, you know, bringing death into my face. Boo. So tell me why I love to make a dramatic nose contour. Like, that's my favorite part of my makeup, is my dramatic nose contour, because I feel like I be having acne and everything else distracting different things on my face. So it's like my nose contour is just a game changer, because I don't know, it brings so much to my makeup. It makes my face not flat or not like looking like a potato, Mrs. Potato Head. Like, it brings more depth, it brings more dramatics into it, and I do like that. But I try not to go crazy and be looking like a drag queen. But I take my nose contour and I bring it all the way into my eyelids and use that abscess powder. And let me tell y'all about this palette. I got this palette from Marshall's. It's another BH Cosmetics palette, but I use this only for blush. And the blush, I don't know, like, that's something I'm trying to get back into. I feel like that helps your look like more live, more natural, a nice undertone. Like, look at that. You see how it brought like more life into my face? It doesn't look flat. Then I'm just taking a little highlighter on my cheeks. Like, I'm really taking it back to the basics with this look, and it's like so affordable. Okay, so I was gonna say, like, be careful not to overdo anything. Like, I feel like I overdid like the powders and stuff, and sometimes it can blot and it can like have patches on your skin and it'll look crazy. So be careful not to overdo it and to keep packing products on, because I'm noticing as I'm looking at this doing my voiceover, I'm like, ooh, I see patches and stuff in my makeup. So notice that and try not to do that with yourselves. But I know how to finesse and make something work, but I'm gonna have to stop overdoing like the products and layering it. Like, I'm gonna have to stop that. But let me tell y'all about this natural lip combo. So I'm using just any, really you can use any type of brown lip liner. I think this is, I forget the color, but it's NYX Cosmetics, of course, affordable. I'm taking this NYX Cosmetics brown lip pencil. Then I'm going to be using a Morphe lipstick, and I'll definitely try to put it in the description, like the name of the products and everything, so you guys can get your your natural lip game together, because I love a natural nude lip. I freaking love it. And I feel like this is cute, but I need that MAC. I need that cork, because it goes nowhere. Like, it's so good. It's just so good. If you can afford the MAC cork lip liner, get the MAC. But if not, just use any brown lip liner just like me. And the thing is, you don't have to use this Morphe lipstick, but Morphe lipsticks are like $6, I believe. They're under $10. So I'm just puckering up my lips. You have to pucker up your lips. You cannot smudge them in or use a, like, you have to pucker them up to make it look like super soft and natural. That is the secret about these nude lips. So I'm doing that and I'm done, girl. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope you guys got a few gems from this video. Pretty much, I feel like I've been doing it for a while, so I know how to quickly do my makeup. Really, this wasn't even a quick process because I stopped so many times to cook and to do other things. So like, the everyday flawless makeup is easy to achieve as long as you got a good foundation base. You can't go wrong. And I don't know, I feel like 2 layers of makeup really makes it more flawless as far as just the glam effect and not the just natural look. And you guys saw the lip combination, so I really feel like I like this look, and I hope you guys like it too. And I will see you guys in the next video. As always, stay dope, stay beautiful, and stay uplifted. I will see you next video.